Hey guys, I have a 2009 Chevrolet Trailblazer. It won't crank but no start. So there's no start. I found the fuse of PCM. PCM is always blown. So we have three fuses. It's always blown. This fuse PCM. There's a grounded. It's an engine Vortec. There's no start. I found when I start there's a grounded. You see this light. It came from negative. This is a positive, so it check the line of the fuel pump and start. If there's a ground, if this lighting is a grounded. See it. You see, let's check. You see that this light. Oh, you see, there's a grounded. So let's find where is the grounded of this car. Why is the fuse is always blown? I check all the wiring, there's no grounded. All the wire, so I found this when I remove this fuel pump relay. I remove this fuel pump relay, so it start. There's no light here. There's no light. There's no grounded. So let's start again. If there's a light, it's shown. So let's try. I remove the fuel pump relay. I think the fuel pump there's a grounded. So let's start again. If there's a showing light here. Let's say that is light. So guys, just grounded is a fuel pump. So just remove the fuel pump from the fuel tank. Let's check the fuel pump. So I removed the fuel pump. What do I found is grounded. And this is the fuel tank. And what I found, the negative and positive are engaged. You see, this is the cause of grounded the fuel pump. The process. Just need to replace this fuel pump. And see, this is a fuel gauge. So I need to replace this new one. This is the fuel pump that I found grounded. Came from the socket and the fuel pump. So I need to replace this a new one. I found here the socket of the fuel pump is negative and the positive. So grounded. So and the fuel gauge NGC. This is the cause fuse blown. So I need to replace a new one. So this is a new one, guys. This is a new fuel pump. You see there's a full. See like this and the old one, there's no rubber. There's no rubber. And new is there's a plastic. So that's a new one. It's a past force brand. So let's install. Guys, after I install the new fuel pump and fuel tank is installed now. Back. This is the old one. I found a grounded here. See it? It's the negative and positive are engaged. So I decided to replace a new fuel pump. Now let's start the car. Yeah. Let's start the car. If there's any problem or it wants it to start directly. So let me keep in on switch. Now it's good. Starting one click. So that's a fuel pump grounded. That's why the PCM fuse is always blown. That's a Chevrolet Trailblazer 2009. So that's it, guys. Thank you.